Kadwa kisngi kinangjan siya ka election MP Lok Sabha arja arsaw ka Indian National Congress kalamat ya ka jing tunju da ka jing petseng jong kinong yalam bat kinong kersan. Mentagas nginingkong sa armut ki MDC ka Congress bami khmat siya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kila petno anakani ka parti barimdo jong kari India. Kini ki arngut kiri ubah bat skem rentathyang MDC ka Mairang bat ubah Karnes so syang MDC ka Maukerwan. Nalor kini UMDC barim ka Congress na sora ba Donovan Karwan Langru ulami no na ka Congress. Kini baru oleh ingut kilalit bin penyesok no iladi syaka National People's Party. Kebelanang Iwan CM ya ke NPP, haga jingpin krea ban mi syaka lempung ya kunjang ke election MP Lok Sabha, keban long hakini ki kiniat banai banwan. Ya kini ki laingut lapad yang buram mentagas ngi dau National President ke Parti Konrad K. Sangma, baru Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ba Preston Tensong, haga jingyalang ke balong hapok ke office trekam ke NPP Hala Shumer. Kini kejingwan penyesok kini ki MDC ke Kongres, kelanang penbun pajru ya kejingdon ki MDC ke NPP ha KHADC ke balakot mentas ke khat laingut. Laban kedua hang ni ke NPP bet ke Kongres kidai ki betre lang hapok KHADC bet kila thau ya ke kinhun senrap Khasi Hills Democratic Front menyalam ya ke Executive Committee.
Bakarnes are sitting MDC, Sribatskem are MDC, and all their followers and all their leaders and all their supporters who have come here today to join and to be part of the family of the National People's Party. At the very outset, as the National President of the National People's Party, it is with great honor and a great sense of happiness that I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our family of the National People's Party. Welcome to the NPP.